Hi friends, this is Manisha Chaudhary and I welcome you back to my channel Manisha's Craft Ideas. Well, this video I'm going to be talking to you about a new video which I was doing lately, and it is about decorating the wall of Junior Art Library. And what you see right before you is the decoration which I had done 2 years prior to the one I'm making. And the flowers that you see here, I'm going to refurbish them, and they were made out with the paper flowers, and obviously paper flowers, they always gather dust, and over the period of time I have changed them twice actually, a different sort of flowers every time, but they always end up getting bad after some time. So these artworks are on separate different walls which I have done. This is a ply work, as you can see, laid up again. And this junior library was supposed to be a big project for us, and these the flowers that you look before you are the ones I'm going to be redoing this. So the many ideas came to my mind. First I thought on top of the flowers I can change them and make flowers again, but then not again. So these are the different variation I tried, making umbrellas, making balloons, and this is the last one. It's a junior library book. Of course, they sort of relate to it. So I was just juggling between these three ideas, and then I was sort of confused what to do with it. There are 6 of these pipes as you see here. So which one should I choose? And I chose, of course, the book one. Sometimes when you are confused in a dilemma which one to use, so I always refer to some of my friends. If this is what I'm thinking, what do you think I should move on with? And yes, the third idea was the final one. When I started doing this, I was in so much hurry to complete this project. The deadline was quite short. So the first stage, which is drawing on the thermocols and cutting them in the appropriate size, I just couldn't make a video out of it. So here you can see the next stage, that is where the coloring of the book are already done. That is the different variations, final hard cover, the sheets in between, and on the final page I have left all of them white in color so that the text itself should appear much bigger. And this is how I started writing. Of course, the books, they cannot be left blank, so some sort of a message should always be there. So what better than a quotation? Since junior library, we have not only a very small children but classes 1, 2, 3, they also come and they can read, I believe, these simple messages. And of course, it is a sort of a showcase for the parents, those who walk in for admission. And it is always a good idea to refurbish the walls. So here what you see before you is the different variation of the books which I have done. 6 pipes, so of course all of them needs to be layered with 6 different sizes of the books. As I was lucky enough when I started putting up the pipe for the artwork of the flower to hold, I had placed them in such a way, some of them are taller than the others, so I have space to cover in between. And these thermocols that you see before you, the cutout of a book, most of them were done by joining 2 thermocols. You all are aware what is the grand size of the thermocol. For the child, here you can see it has a funny face here, but then I didn't feel like adding too much detail. So a separate part of the thermocol was added to it. And this is a different project I'll share with you as well. These are some of the birthday decorations which we were asked to do. So here you can see the pipes which are right there. Two of them were already assembled, and that's how all of them they were put up. Even after using such grand scale of the thermocol, still see so much space is still left behind, which is a good thing. Negative, positive spaces, they sort of balance it out. And can you see the scale of this project on the wall, where you saw the flowers earlier now are being changed into a thermocol. If I had used different artwork than this book's one, I don't think it would have justified the space which I was supposed to cover it. Open book idea is much better. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like it. Do give a thumbs up if you do. Subscribe my channel if you haven't already. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.